Hi, my name is David Whitmer here with Owl Labs at the TD SYNNEX InVision event. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about the latest Owl Labs hybrid collaboration solutions. We've really led the charge with hybrid collaboration with our Meeting Owl, which you'll see over here on the tripod. This is an all-in-one 360-degree center of the table camera. It has a camera on top. There's 8 microphones below the lit up eyes you see there, and then there's 3 speakers in there. So this is an all-in-one device. A lot of versatility on where and how you can use this. It's here on a tripod, but it's really optimized sitting on a conference room table. There's no better device at capturing in-room conversation with this device. And most recently, we've launched our new Owl Bar. This answers sort of the desires of our customers who love the Meeting Owl, but in so many of our meetings, we do turn and talk to people up on the screen, right? So we turn away from the Meeting Owl. With the Owl Bar, we now have a second vantage point sitting at the front of the meeting room. And these devices pair together wirelessly through peer-to-peer Wi-Fi pairing between the 2 devices. They work in conjunction as one solution. We're going to show you a quick demo of that on this video right here. So we have a bar and a Meeting Owl here. So these people are talking in-room to each other. Kaylin's talking here, and now she's actually going to turn towards the front of the room and face the TV. And the devices automatically sense that she's now talking to Bill up on the TV screen at the front. There's Bill in his remote office. And he has a nice, engaging experience now because everyone in the room is always looking at him, captured by these 2 vantage points. So this new front and center solution from Owl Labs is really the only solution on the market that does this, 2-camera vantage point spotlighting. We're really excited about this. Check out owllabs.com. We'd love to do a demo. We do weekly live demos of this from our home office, so check that out. And go to owllabs.com to learn some more. Thank you so much.